Hello, everyone. In this video, we want to discuss the overview of MFCA. Next, we mainly introduce 4 parts. The requirement of MFCA, cost considered in MFCA, cost calculation and cost allocation. The first part is about the requirement of MFCA. The most important basis and requirement of material flow cost accounting is material and energy flow model, which can transparently display the material and energy flow, waste and loss in the production process. When using material flow costing for the production line or the whole site, the first step is always to set up and verify this model. So how can we get the maximum cost savings? First, the sum of all costs attributable to material loss is equal to the maximum cost savings that can be obtained in a theoretically optimal state without material loss. Another way to look at these potential cost savings is as an investment budget to reduce waste. By calculating the actual cost of material loss, you can significantly improve the potential of optimization. In addition, by avoiding unnecessary material and energy flows in the production process, you can not only improve energy and resource efficiency, but also benefit from reducing costs. The next part is about costs considered of MFCA. Material flow cost accounting considers all costs that were incurred in the process chain before the material input became a material loss. This includes 4 parts: material cost, system cost, energy cost, and waste management costs. I will introduce the material cost first. Material cost refers to the cost of materials entering or leaving the quantity center. It is worth noting that the cost of materials can be calculated in various ways, such as standard cost, average cost, and procurement cost. The choice of this costing method is at the discretion of the organization. The second is system cost. System cost refers to the cost incurred in the process of internal treatment logistics, except material cost, energy cost, and waste management cost. For example, staff costs, depreciation and maintenance expenses, and transportation costs. The third is the energy cost. Energy costs include the costs of electricity, fuel, steam, heat, compressed air, and other similar media. It should be noted that the energy cost can be included in the material cost, or it can be quantified separately at the discretion of the contract. The last part is about the waste management cost of. It is defined as the cost of dealing with the material loss caused by the quantity center. First, we need to pay attention to waste management, including air discharge, wastewater and solid waste management. Secondly, waste management costs include the costs of the following on-site activities. For example, rework, recycling, waste tracking, storage, treatment and disposal of non-conforming products. Next part is about cost calculation. Under MFCA, 3 types of costs are quantified: material costs, system costs, and waste management costs. Energy costs can either be included under material costs or quantified separately, at the discretion of the organization. For the purposes of this international standard, energy costs will be calculated and shown separately. Let's see an example. The input section include material cost. The quantity center includes energy cost, system cost, and waste management cost. At the same time, it also includes initial inventory of material and final inventory of material. The output part includes product, material cost, energy cost, and system cost. Material loss includes material cost, energy cost, system cost, and waste management cost. In this example, 95 kilograms of material enters the quantity center. Over the analysis time period, the inventory of the material changes from initial inventory of 15 kilograms to final inventory of 10 kilograms. The amount of material leaving the quantity center is 100 kilograms, which is input 95 kilograms plus initial inventory 15 kilograms minus final inventory 10 kilograms. That 100 kilograms is distributed to product 70 kilograms and material loss 30 kilograms. The next section is about cost allocation. In order to maximize analysis accuracy, All costs should be calculated from data available for individual quantity centers and individual material flows, rather than estimated by cost allocation procedures. However, costs such as energy costs, system costs, and waste management costs often are available only for an entire process or facility. Thus, in practice, it will often be necessary to first allocate these costs to individual quantity centers, and subsequently allocate them to products and material losses, in a two-step procedure. First, allocation of process-wide or facility-wide costs to different quantity centers. Second, allocation of quantity center costs to products and material losses. However, there are 3 points to note. First, the most appropriate allocation criteria for different types of costs, such as energy costs and system costs, will not necessarily be the same. Second, different allocation criteria can also be used for different components of system costs. For example, labor costs, depreciation costs, if this will reflect the distribution of actual costs more realistically. Third, all waste management costs within a quantity center are attributed to material losses. Through this video, I believe you must have a deeper understanding of MFCA. Next, we can review the above contents with a simple quiz. The title of quiz is, which is not included in cost considered of MFCA in ISO 14051? Option A is material costs, option B is system costs, option C is energy costs, option D is marginal costs. You can pause the video to think about this question, and I will give the answer in 2 seconds. The correct answer is D, marginal costs. Because the cost considered of MFCA is material cost, system cost, energy cost, and waste management cost. So, are you right? The above is the whole content of my video. If you want to know more about MFCA, welcome to watch the videos of other members of our group. They will share more different and interesting knowledge with you. Thanks for your watching.